Waldner Cup, amazing tournament. This is the first edition of Waldner Cup. It was a great success. Follow the event on WalderCup.com.
Everybody's kung fu chop blocking. Thumb for the backhand shot. The only digit to get power when you play that shot.
Wow.
Ooh, that
7, 9. 11, 8
They loose. Short side, the parallel backhand. That long serve low to the net. Good placement on this. I'm going to rethink that sentence. Oh, the power again. He started the match with it. Remember, Hugo Calderano has won their last 2 encounters. The only time. Out here. Fast serve comes in, power comes back. You get an extended rally out of that. Again, some percentage of the crowd is playing regular competitions, training at clubs on the weekly, and still can't. Most of us can't.
7,
The racket. And he takes it, he covers the middle. Racket high, shifts the upper body. And if those were Norwegians we saw in the crowd with their hands near their mouths, they're going to be happy to see Team World continue to fight. Oh, a little fortune. Wait and see where his opponent will move. Oh,
11-7, game to Team World.
Anyway. So Team World's Hugo Calderano with the serve to start it off. Earlier. Just too pretty, swift, slick, and still a stylish shot. Making sure you can get back up. To play Ma Long and Waldner yesterday.
Nice.
Fight from the start. Counter game, the forehand of Calderano. 5 serving 4.
4-7.
That is the Waldner Cup, Mandarin and Chinese as it's written. Doesn't miss by a lot, but Calderano gets Im Jong-hoon chopping. The way to go. Short side there. Surprise factor, then a smooth finish. The amount of tension in the legs here to reset. Oh, nice response. Gets him in for a late flick. And sends him right back to the backhand corner empty-handed. Nice catch there, too. Little bonus point. Backs. And it is 4 game and match points for Hugo Calderano in Team World. Hugo Calderano takes it home. Finishes day number 1 on Hugo Calderano to start it off. Hey! Oh. What a rally on top of the table. The action they're getting here. Talked to many of the Norwegian players and fans. It's like a dream come true to have the best in the world here in Oslo.
Oh, wow. 3, 2.
The power, the physical fitness. Again, players take incredible care of themselves.
Wow.
Good angle here. Remember, the last 2 matches are Olympic champions. On top of the bounce, Hugo Calderano sets up 7 game points. Under the table, Kirill keeps it in play. And a good backhand, but the time, it's Hugo Calderano's time. Inside out, the quick shot cross court, and Hugo Calderano takes game number 1, 11-3. A dominant performance here from the top world-ranked player. Games in this match. Kirill with the serves. Perfect placement into the middle. From Calderano, but it comes back. Gerasimenko's taken some hard hitting over the years and sent it right back to the opponent's side to win the points. No stranger to power play.
3.
Non-Asian players can say they've beaten her twice. Snake, backhand rip. Absolutely get on your feet for that. Kirill Gerasimenko puts Waldner into crunch position. A save here. Look at that snake. There's the rip. Oh, it's so fast, and it comes right back for the block. And then right arcing to the edge of the table. Kirill Dima didn't like it. 2-point lead here. Team Asia. The point lead, knowing that Chunmung and Malong are waiting.
8-4.
The battle now. Come on. What a read from the back of the table. Gerasimenko flirting with the edge, but doesn't get a number. It's Calderano who adds to the scoreboard. 2 out of the towel break. Big forehand, step, slow spin. The ball comes down, it's trouble. The idea was right. Oh, Calderano, footwork tested. The moves he makes. The backhand near the barrier, and our Statue of Liberty is back for Team Asia. Shin Yubin on her feet. One nice there on the parallel, keeping it deep to the backhand until he can open it up wide enough to be uncomfortable. What a response to a net. Forehand does it right down the middle. Kirill powers through. 11-6. Power at the baseline. Oh, what a move! Leaning, reaching, extended, stretch Armstrong out here. Go-go gadget arms. Every character you can imagine, and the placement right back to where it came from. Extra spin, Kirill Gerasimenko. Fast long. And a big point here for Team World. Just gonna play every point. What a response. It looked like he was sitting for that forehand. Both of his knees were as bent as can be, and still he managed to get a forehand. Keep your eyes on Hugo Calderano's posture for that shot. It's a very unusual move. Nice placement, Gerasimenko into that middle. The swing. It is Kirill Gerasimenko who sets up 2 match points. The rotation on that ball. Long serve does it. Kirill comes back. This is really fascinating. Team World knows that Chun Meng and Ma Long are waiting in the next 2 singles matches to follow. And Kirill Gerasimenko comes out here.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.